Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I've got something super special for you if you're looking to work out your abs at home during quarantine with zero equipment. So I'm going to show you a full body weight workout that you can do for your abs to build bigger, thicker, and rock hard abs and a perfect midsection that you can take to the beach when quarantine opens up and when you can finally get out of the house. So before we get into today's body weight ab workout routine, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a skinny guy looking to pack on mass as fast as possible. Maybe you want meal plans, workouts, recipes, tips and tricks on how to bulk up fast as a skinny guy. Make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been following me for a while, make sure that after this video, you click the first link in my description to grab yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout to start your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So basically, we're gonna run through 6 ab exercises you can do at home with zero equipment, just your body weight, and it's gonna work your upper, your middle, and your lower abs. And it's gonna build you the thickness that you want in your midsection. So when you do cut down the body fat, it's gonna reveal a impressive abs and impressive midsection. So I'm not gonna talk too much about today's video. Let's get straight into today's workout. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.